guys, for this video, we will draw and color a car. Cars are vehicles designed primarily for transporting people. They come in various types, including sedans, SUVs, trucks, and electric vehicles EVs, and are powered by internal combustion engines using gasoline or diesel or electric motors in the case of hybrids and EVs. We're done. See you in our next video.